This is Elizabeth with WTI, and if your muscles are aching or your body just hurts, it is time to get some Biofreeze to cool down that pain. This really does help soothe your muscles in the most fantastic kind of way. It's a menthol spray, so it helps to cool things. And for me, the way menthol always reacts is like you feel the coolness, but you also feel this like warmingness to your muscles, and it just helps everything feel relaxed. So whether you need to use this during the day to help your body get going to trug ahead throughout the day, or a lot of times I like using this towards the evening when I'm getting ready for bed. That way I can sleep at night. But the spray makes it that you don't have to touch anything. You don't have to roll anything on. You don't have to rub anything in, so you don't have to worry about your hands getting the methanol on it and like getting into your eyes. And just in case you've never used methanol before, it does have a smell, but it's like a minty peppermint smell, so it's still refreshing. The spray is easy. It's designed to be able to even spray upside down, which is perfect, especially when you're trying to like reach your back or to reach your shoulder and you're trying to do it by yourself. This can, by Biofreeze, which is designed to be able to use and apply by yourself. Don't suffer anymore in pain. Get this Biofreeze so that way you can have fast acting relief for all of your muscles and all of your aches, and get the spray, that way you can apply it easy all on your own. And that's my point of view.